Welcome back to the Dirtbike Hombre channel. So, did y'all like that little intro I put in there? I don't know. It's alright. I guess leave me a comment, something about it. Anyways, so this is the first race for the 2022 TORCS circuit. This was in Spoaks, just outside of Austin. And this is my first race in like almost 10 years, something like that. I wasn't really ready for this, to tell you the truth. I literally had just put on another set of handlebars, and I'm really out of shape. So didn't do so great, but I didn't get hurt, so we'll keep going. Check out this mud bog here coming up, guys. So I ended up going around this first time, and you could see somebody fell down there. Later, because I actually had to do this track 3 times, and what I saw was if you went right down the middle where that guy fell, there's actually some pretty good traction in there. I'm not sure if like all the bikes have been kicking out all the mud, but people were getting some really good traction. So I gave that a shot, and I shot right through that section like nothing. So yeah, I guess that's part of racing. Is the shortest distance is going to be the quickest. Racing, you know, it's something I hadn't done in a really long time, and honestly, you know, this is the first flat-out race, kind of in this, you know, competitive, you know, shotgun start kind of style. So this is very new to me, and you know, this is the first race of the year, and so I'm thinking about making it to all the other TORCS races. I already put in money, so make sure to subscribe and see what comes next, guys. And go ahead and hit that like button, and everybody that hits that like button, we're gonna give them a free Lamborghini Murcielago.